Right here, just to get this started. Close to 45,000 so far, just in the night. We're getting there. This is an awesome day, man. We just hope from all of us, and we hope it gets you started. I know you're already rocking, but I hope it just keeps you on going, all right? You're very, very welcome. All right, and on behalf of us, ourselves together, why don't you tell them how to stand?
And also, we invited some people here from standing that couldn't make it, and I know some of you out there are from that standing community as well.
Absolutely.
There were 7 big families in that area that lost their homes completely. And on behalf of Bret, we're looking at $7,000.
We're going to make that $10,000. Right? We should have jacked that up right now. $10,000. We did that. That's a personal on me and Sean. We're starting this right now. Right now. This is just the beginning. And I just want to say thank you all for taking a moment to let us do this. This is what matters. And again, with my family living in this area, we can't thank you all enough. This concert made a lot of this possible. Even though we were going ahead with this is what made it great in just the beginning.
And please buy yourself some merchandise for Bret. And also the silent auction items in the back. All of that.
We're kicking it on. No, we're kicking it in.
Thank you.
We'll see you afterwards at the VIP meet and greet. If you kick it in, that's going right back here. It does not leave this community, all right? It stays right here. You're seeing it. That is the real deal. We got the media right here and all the news. So thank you all very much. And what do you say? A big round of applause for them, yourselves. And how about we do a little jamming with friends and Bret Michaels and Leonard Skinner, a little sweet.